Hey guys, Winnie here. I know you're probably getting ready for your holiday party soon and maybe thinking of different ways to style your hair for your special occasions, and I wanted to share this tousled waves hair tutorial with you using products that I picked up from my local Kroger, and you can find them at your local Kroger family of stores as well. To get started, we're going to first use a heat protectant on our hair because we are going to use a heat styling tool today. This is the Tresemme Heat Tamer leave-in spray, and I'm going to spray this all over my hair and brush it through. The heat tamer will protect against any heat damage and leaves your hair feeling soft and shiny. Next, to add some texture and volume to my hair, I'm using the L'Oreal Boost It High Lift Creation Spray. This is a stronghold hairspray and it gives you a teased effect. And I'm going to focus this around the crown of my head, and I'm just lifting small sections up and spraying the hairspray in those areas. This next step is definitely optional, especially if you already have very full hair, but because my hair is pretty flat, I am actually going to go in and tease my hair. I'm just picking up small sections of my hair that I sprayed, and I'm taking a teasing comb and back combing it gently and then smoothing it over. Next, I'm grabbing some squincy jaw clips, and these are just to help section off my hair and keep it out of my way as I work around my head. I'm going to pull my hair half up around my ears and clip this back so I can work on the bottom section first, and I'm going to divide this into two sides, and then again into two smaller sections on each side, so you're working with about 2 to 3 inch sections. Then I'm taking a 1-inch flat iron and I'm placing the hair in between the iron, and I'm going to twist this around as I pull this section of hair through the iron. So instead of just pulling your hair straight through the flat iron like when you are straightening it, you're just going to twist the iron around the hair as you pull it through. It's a lot easier than it sounds. And after I pull the section through, I'm going to run my fingers through the curl, and then I'm going to twist this up and pull it taut until the curl cools. And this is what gives you that really natural, soft, tousled wave. The key to this whole look is to not have those really perfect tight curls, so that's why this step is really important. I just want to show you guys one more time how I pull the section of hair through the flat iron. You're just going to twist it around and pull it straight down to create that curl. And again, don't forget to run your fingers through that curl, twist it up, hold it taut, and I let it cool for about 3 seconds or so, and you can kind of feel it on your hair. And that'll really loosen up the curl and give you the look of a softer wave. And here's a quick before and after of the straight hair compared to the wavy side, and I'm just going to continue the same on the opposite side. I do want to mention that I am curling away from my face for the sections around my face because that's just what I prefer, but I am alternating directions for the other sections around my head. And doing that will create a lot more volume and gives it a more natural look. You also want to make sure that when you get to about 2 to 3 inches from the bottom of your section of hair that you just pull the flat iron straight down instead of curling it all the way to the end. I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up because I think you guys got it, and I'm just going to continue the same thing, doing small sections at a time, working my way around my head all the way up. Okay, after I'm all done curling the hair all around, I'm going to run my fingers through the waves to soften it up, and then I'm actually going to take random pieces with my straightener to actually soften the waves even more. Again, I really want an undone, soft, tousled look. And last but not least, I'm taking the Big Sexy Hair Spray and Stay Intense Hold Hairspray to really lock in the style. I'm going to spray this all around and use my hands to kind of scrunch up the waves a little bit and style it how I like. And I really like this hairspray because I feel like once you spray it and it sets, it stays exactly where it is. And that's all there is to it. I really like that the waves will kind of soften and loosen up throughout the day. And you really can't mess it up because I feel like the more tousled it is, the better it looks. And I just kind of zhuzh it up with my fingers, and I can even switch up my part and it still looks really good. I love that it gives you a ton of volume and body, but it's still very natural and soft looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and give this hairstyle a try at your next holiday event, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!